You like to eat, I like to cook. This is Cooking with Jimmy Vegan. This particular recipe today comes from my cookbook, Breakfast Muffins. This will transform the way you view breakfast from a plant-based perspective. You'll be amazed at how easy, satisfying, and delicious these muffins are to make. And they're extremely versatile. I'll put two of my favorite vegetables in there, but you can substitute your own. Spinach, tomatoes, cheese, seasoning. Let's jump into it. Most of the work for this recipe is in the prep. You really just have to dice up the tomatoes. I just cut mine in half. I usually pull the stems off my spinach because I don't want the stems in there. So I pull the stems off and then I break them in half by hand. Lots of seasoning. The seasonings are going to determine the flavor profile of this dish. As you can see, I pulled off the stems, I've torn it in half. My favorite vegan cheese is this Follow Your Heart mozzarella. Some people use cheddar, you can do Parmesan, whatever cheese floats your boat, use that, please. Essentially, I just put all the things in it that I like. So it is my breakfast muffin. You can use this recipe or you can customize it yourself. They go into the oven and then they come out ready to go. I eat one or two at a time depending on how hungry I am in the morning. And voila, you have an easy breakfast muffin to start your day. My cookbook is linked below if you want to pick it up. Peace.